Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Temu app and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about Temu app. If you find updates, then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.